Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve Zoom with the error code 100006000 and Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer with the error message unable to connect. Check to make sure you're connected to a stable network that is not blocked by a firewall or proxy with the error code 100006000. So this Zoom error occur when initiating or joining a meeting or occasionally during app updates. And common reasons are firewalls preventing the connections, antivirus conflicts, and unreliable network environments. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to allow Zoom through Windows Firewall. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type control panel and then click open. So here at control panel settings, and the next step, then you need to select this system and security. But in case if this category is select large icons, this is for example, you can see here it's a large icons, and then you need to click this arrow and then select category, and then you need to select the system and security, and then here at system and security, and then you need to select Windows Defender Firewall, and on left side menu, and then you need to select allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and then you need to click this settings. And then at right side, then you can see now this allow apps to communicate through Windows Defender Firewall. And then here at allowed apps and features, and then you need to find and locate this Zoom video conference. All right. So for example, you already find this Zoom video conference. So all you have to do is to select, and on right side, you can see this two options, private and public. And then it should be check this box. So private and public should be checked. And then once you do this, and then click OK. Alright, so once already done here, and another solutions that we're going to do is to run the network troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open the system settings. And once you open up the system settings, and the next step, and then you need to select system, and on right side, and then you need to scroll down and find and locate this troubleshoots. Then you need to click this troubleshoot settings. And the next step, then you need to select other troubleshooters. And here at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select network and internet. And then on right side, and then you need to click this run. And we will redirect here at help and support internet troubleshooters. So all you have to do here is to follow the step-by-step procedures and methods on how to fix this error. So once you're done here, and then we need to close. And the other solutions we will do is to clear the Zoom cache. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And then here at search for apps, and then you need to type File Explorer. And then click open. And once you open up this File Explorer, and then you need to select this PC, and on right side, and then you need to select this C drive at devices and drive. So select and double click. And the next step, then you need to select this user folder. So select and double click again. And then you need to select your username. So you can see my name here, this is my username. So select and double click. And then here you need to select app data. So just in case app data is missing here at username, so all you have to do is to click this three dots. So this is the see more settings, and then select option. And then here at folder option settings, and then you need to select view. And then here at view settings, at advanced settings, and then you need to select show hidden files folders, so that it will appear this app data. So once you select here the show hidden files, and then click OK. And then automatically you can see now this app data. So all you have to do again, so select and double click. And then you need to select local folder. And then here you need to find now this Zoom folder. So scroll down and then find this Zoom folder. So all you have to do is to select and double click. And then we need now to delete this folder. Alright, so select. And then you can see here the delete, and then we need to delete this folder. Alright, so once you're done here at File Explorer, and then we need to restart again this PC. Alright, so click restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Zoom with the error code 100006000 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.